Moonraker. So now James Bond is going into space. There is this lunatic here, who the evil character in the movie, who plans on some sort of eugenics experiment, in which he takes couples with good genes, good looking, great bodies, to procreate in space. The Earth is scorched by him with some of the usual means, in the usual in the sense that we've been here before in James Bond movies and other such thrillers, science fiction films. Let's think Dr. Strangelove, How I Learned to Stop Worrying and Love the Bomb, one of the top 10 comedies in my book, one of the top 100 in Termina on prestigious lists like AFI, the American Film Institute, the Time 100 movie list, Times 1000 best movies ever made, and so on. So you find it there. And so a monster is bent on destroying the Earth in one way or another, or humanity. The Earth actually will still be there. Even if without much life, if they really detonate part of the arsenal, the nuclear arsenal, which is there available, it will still be enough for life in its, let's say, superior forms. Then with bacteria, with evolution again, that's hard to anticipate for yours truly. Scientists surely have an idea about what's likely to happen in the long distant future. So anyway, in this scenario, this fellow says you will know there's order and balance in the sky, because he will have changed. He will have created a sort of order of a kind. A lunatic, and some would dismiss and say, but that's hard to believe. Indeed, James Bond movies, I've said that this is no exception, are if not yet obsolete, they will soon be, and they don't really present much interest anymore. The attitude is wrong. The character is sexist in a sort of way. It's not. It's not for the modern age, I guess. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm not. Surely I'm not the one to pass judgment. I mean, this is good, this is bad. It's subjective, an opinion there. That's what I think. We'll see. So, anyway, it's not unbelievable. It's not beyond belief that it has shortcomings. But again, we have in real life a very stable genius leading the most powerful country in the world, the one which had the most advanced democracy. And look at the state it is in. I mean, they are worried, and the world must be worried, about what the idiot will do next. He talked of martial law, He's buying conspiracy theories which are beyond idiotic, beyond crazy. Pardons criminals, murderers, corrupt people. I mean, the list is so long it's not even worth touching on it. And yet this is happening. I mean, it's incredible, but it is happening, and it's not one incredible thing. And it's incredibly long list of impossible, mad things that take place in reality. So, Moonraker, could well, but could well, could well happen. I mean, if this is what we have in the world outside, the real world, so to say.